Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on screen pinning for Android. Pros: intended for personal use. Free to use feature. Cons: proactive toast message to disable screen pinning. No restriction on access to other apps through the pinned app. Access to notification panel. Point 1. Pin and unpin screens. You can pin an app's screen to keep it in view until you unpin it. For example, you can pin an app and hand your phone to a friend. With the screen pinned, your friend can use only that app. To use your other apps again, you can unpin the screen. Point 2. How to turn on app pinning. 1. Open your phone setting app. 2. Tap Security or Security and Location, then Advanced, then App Pinning. 3. Turn on app pinning. When app pinning is on, you need to enter your PIN, pattern, or password before you can unpin. Point 3. How to pin a screen. After turning on app pinning. 1. Go to the screen you want to pin. 2. Swipe up to the middle of your screen. 3. At the top of the image, tap the app's icon. 4. Tap the pin. Point 4. How to unpin a screen. Choose how to get around on your phone. To unpin a screen. 1. Gesture navigation, swipe up and hold. 2. 2-button navigation, touch and hold back and home. 3. 3-button navigation, touch and hold back and overview. 4. If you're asked for your PIN, pattern, or password, enter it. Thank you for watching presentation video on screen pinning, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.